In this video, let us continue our discussion about storage classes. Register variables are local variables declared with the keyword register. The register storage class specifier tells the compiler to store the variable in a register instead of RAM. For example, register int count. Register variables are stored in CPU registers for faster access. Default initial value is garbage value. Scope is limited to the function or the block in which it is declared. Lifetime is till the control remains within the function or the block in which the variable is declared. Register storage class are used for variables that are frequently used in a program. As the register memory is limited, if the space is not available, the register variables are treated as automatic variables. Let us again consider example 1. Here A is declared as register variables. We will get the same output as in the case of automatic variables. Variables that are declared outside of all the functions are known as external variables or global variables. Storage is main memory. Default initial value is 0. Scope is global. Lifetime is throughout the execution life of the program. Let us take the example. Here x is declared outside all the functions. Hence x is an external variable. The default initial value is 0. So memory is allocated and 0 is stored in x. Start with main x equal to 10. 10 is stored in x. Print x will get the output x equal to 10. Call to function value 1. Inside value 1, print x will get the output x equal to 10. X equal to x plus 1. The global variable x becomes 11. Print x will get the output x equal to 11. Goes back to main. Call to value 2. X equal to x plus 1. X now becomes 12. Print x equal to 12. Goes back to main. Print x equal to 12. Since x is declared as external variable, it is accessible to all the functions. Now let us take this example. Here x is declared as external variables after main. When you try to access x inside main, you will get an error x undeclared. The scope of the external variable is from the point of declaration till the end of the program. In order to correct this error, you have to declare the external variable using the keyword extern. Add the statement extern int x before main. Now the program will execute correctly. Int x is external variable definition and extern int x is external variable declaration. Memory is allocated during external variable definition. No memory is allocated while external variable declaration. Definition of a variable is when the variable is created and the memory for it is allocated. Declaration of a variable just tells the compiler that this variable exists and is defined somewhere else. It does not allocate any memory. External variable declaration is mainly used when our program is in more than one file. In this example, the program has been saved in two different files, first.c and second.c. Global variable x is declared in first.c. In second.c, when we try to access x, we will get the error x undeclared. In order to avoid this, variable x has to be declared using extend keyword in second.c. Now the program will execute correctly. Let us take this example. Global variable x is created and initialized with 20. Inside main, a local variable is created with the same name x and initialized to 10. Print x. Which x will be printed? Here the value of local x will be printed, that is x equal to 10. Next, call to function value. Go to value, print x. Here the value of global x will be printed, that is x equal to 20. Scope of local x is only till the end of the main, but the scope of global x is till the end of the program. If a local variable has the same name as the external variable, the local variable takes precedence over the external variable. Here we have written extern int x equal to 20. You will get an error x initialized and declared extern. We cannot initialize at the time of external variable declaration since no memory is being allocated during extern declaration. Initialization has to be done during external variable definition. The last storage class is static storage class. Static variables are declared with the keyword static. Static variables preserve their values between function calls. Static variables are initialized only once and exist till the termination of the program. Static variables are stored in main memory. The default initial value is 0. The scope of static variable is local or global based on the place of declaration. The lifetime is throughout the execution life of the program. Let us see an example. Start with main. First statement is call to function value. Go to value. A is declared as a static variable and initialized with 5. A equal to A plus 2. A now becomes 7. Print A. We will get the output 7. Goes back to main. Unlike automatic variable, the static variable is not destroyed on exit from the function. Next statement is again function call. Go to value. Already the variable is in memory. A equal to A plus 2. A now becomes 9. Print A. 9 will be printed. Goes back to main. Call to value. Go to value. Variable already allocated. A equal to A plus 2. A now becomes 11. Print A will get the output 11. Goes back to main. End of the program. The static variable is not destroyed on exit from the function. Instead, its value is preserved and becomes available again when the function is called. It is initialized only once, no matter how many times the function in which it resides is called. The same program with automatic variable will give the output 777 because each time when the control leaves the function, the variable is destroyed and is again created and initialized on the next function call. A static variable can be declared as external variable. However, the variable is not accessible by functions in other files with the use of keyword extern. Here x is declared as external static variable in first.c. It is not available in second.c.